morning. It's the 1st of December, which means it's the first day of the Vlogmas. I've got 2 advent calendars. Let's open them together. We have a grow your own advent calendar. It's premium heirloom varieties. So yeah, I'll show you this one in a bit. And also the Pact coffee advent calendar. I'm very excited about this one. So yeah, let's open it together. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, looks nice. Let's take out the first day then. Oh, here is like this, here is like this. Let's see what flavors the coffee has. So, hints of sugar plums, origin Colombia, roast medium, and variety Castillo and Catura. This smells so amazing. Let's smell it. I love the smell of coffee. And now we're gonna froth some coconut milk and see how it tastes. Very nice. I love it. I'm very excited about this one, and I'm curious which vegetable is gonna be first. So let's see what's inside. Oh, day one. It's at the top, and we have some accessories here. Oh, these are so cute. We have a thread to hang it somewhere, and then put these ones on it with each day. It's Christmas time. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, let's see. Basil. Let's get growing. Lovely. So this can be germinated indoors and then can go outside in the early summer. Probably when I'll open all of them, maybe in January I will get some pots and plant all these and have them put by the window, and it's gonna look nice and pretty, and yeah, watch them grow. Now we can hang this up, and then we can hang these ones too, so we do it how it shows here. Let's see. Okay. I think this is a very original idea of advent calendar. I really love the idea. Here in the corner. This looks so nice. These are my advent calendars. I really like them. What advent calendars do you have this year? Please write in the comments, because I'm very curious and maybe I get some inspiration for the next year. Now that we open the calendars for today, I have planned to go and cut down my own Christmas tree. We're gonna go to a local farm where they have a nice lake there, they have farm animals, a cute cafe, and also the tree farm, where we're gonna have a good look around and find a nice tree to cut down. Let's go. We arrived at Headlands Farm and the weather is amazing. It's a very lovely location here. We also have pigs and goats and chickens. There is also a lake here and you can walk around. It's very, very lovely. Oh, I can hear some ducks. We arrived at the Christmas trees. We got our saw and now we're gonna go and pick up a tree. All of them are so beautiful and I can't choose. I kind of like this one here. It's so nice. We've been walking around looking for the tree, and to be honest, I really like the first one that I saw, so I think we're gonna walk back to that one. Let's have a look at it again. Decided to cut down this tree because it's a nice height and width. It's a bit big at the bottom, but maybe we can trim it down a little bit. This variety is called the Norman fir. And yeah, this is my first time cutting down a Christmas tree. Let's see how is it gonna be. I think I'm about halfway, so not long to go. It's a bit tiring. I've done it. It took not very long, like 5 minutes probably. So yeah, also depends on the size of the tree.
you. Okay.
This is such a nice feeling. Oh my god.
Smells nice.
It smells amazing. Process if you decide what tree you want. So we decided pretty quick and it took about 5 minutes to cut it. Look how I look now. My clothes are all dirty. Probably it wasn't a good idea to wear white trousers, but I know next time. They also have a cafe here, so we're gonna go there and grab some tea.